What if humans colonize Mars by 2050? Imagine waking up and looking out your window, not at blue skies, not at oceans, not at mountains, but at an endless red desert stretching beyond the horizon. The year is 2050. Humanity has achieved what once seemed impossible. The first permanent city on Mars is alive. People are living, working, and raising families on another planet. But how could we get there? And what would life on Mars actually look like? This is what might happen if humans colonize Mars by 2050. For thousands of years, humanity has lived on a single planet. Earth has provided everything we need to survive: food, water, air, protection. Yet Earth is not guaranteed to remain safe forever. Scientists have long warned about potential threats such as asteroid impacts, global catastrophes, and resource shortages. To ensure humanity's long-term survival, many experts believe we must become a multi-planet species, and among all the worlds in our solar system, Mars stands out as the most realistic candidate. Mars may seem hostile, but it offers something incredibly valuable: water. Large amounts of frozen water exist beneath the Martian surface and within its polar ice caps. This water could be used for drinking, producing oxygen, and even creating rocket fuel. Mars also has a day remarkably similar to Earth's. A single Martian day lasts approximately 24 hours and 39 minutes. That similarity could make adaptation much easier for future settlers. But reaching Mars is no easy task. The journey itself would be one of the most dangerous adventures in human history. The average distance between Earth and Mars is around 225 million kilometers. Even with advanced spacecraft, astronauts would spend 6 to 9 months traveling through deep space. During that journey, they would face isolation unlike anything humans have ever experienced. Communication with Earth would become increasingly difficult. Messages could take up to 22 minutes to arrive. Real-time conversations would become impossible. For the first time, human beings would truly be on their own. Then comes the landing. Landing on Mars is far more difficult than landing on the Moon. Mars has an atmosphere, but it is too thin to slow large spacecraft effectively. Engineers often refer to this process as the 7 minutes of terror. A spacecraft enters the atmosphere at tremendous speed. Heat shields begin to glow. Parachutes deploy. Engines ignite. Every second matters. One mistake could mean disaster. But if everything works perfectly, humanity takes its first step toward a new civilization. The first settlers would likely live inside highly protected habitats. These structures would shield them from extreme temperatures and dangerous radiation. Unlike Earth, Mars lacks a strong magnetic field. As a result, harmful cosmic radiation constantly reaches the surface. Many future habitats may be built underground or covered with thick layers of Martian soil for protection. Life would not be luxurious. Every drop of water would be recycled. Every resource would be carefully managed. Nothing could be wasted. Food presents another challenge. Regular supply missions from Earth would be expensive and unreliable. Future settlers would need to grow their own crops. Scientists are already experimenting with ways to grow food in Martian conditions. Large indoor farms could provide vegetables, fruits, and other essential foods. Artificial intelligence would help manage these systems and maximize efficiency. Over time, the small outpost could begin to grow. Robots might build new habitats before additional humans arrive. Solar farms could provide energy. Research centers could expand. New industries could emerge. What begins as a tiny settlement could eventually become a thriving city. Imagine a future Martian skyline. Large protective domes, advanced transportation systems, thousands of residents, schools, hospitals, businesses, entire communities living on another world. Children born on Mars may one day grow up knowing the red planet as their home. For them, Earth would be a distant place visible only in the night sky, yet many challenges would remain. Mars has only 38% of Earth's gravity. Scientists still do not know how living in low gravity for decades would affect the human body. Muscles could weaken, bones could become fragile, health problems may emerge that we have never encountered before. Dust storms present another danger. Some Martian storms can cover enormous regions of the planet and last for weeks. Equipment failures could threaten entire settlements. Every system would need backups. Every colonist would need training. Survival would depend on preparation and teamwork. So, will humans colonize Mars by 2050? The truth is, nobody knows. The technological challenges remain enormous. The financial costs are staggering, and many scientific.